doesn't really have a locking mechanism, so kind of just jam it up in there. I'm not sure why it fell out, how it fell out. Tuck this back here. It's the ELD. I don't know if the yellow light's supposed to be there. We'll see. Turn on the headlights, crank a little heat. Gotta do our pre-trip inspection, make sure everything's good. Had a long Memorial Day weekend. Kick all these tires. Got a bobtail to Flint. Go pick up an empty trailer that had got unloaded, I believe, sometime last week. Fifth wheel looks good. It's greased. Lines ain't going nowhere. Kick these back tires. Double check. Headlights good. Clearance lights good. I'll do the signals left. Good. I'll do right. Oh no, I gotta look in the back. Good. You can see it blinking from over here, but gotta show you guys. Put it the other way. Good. 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 Hood flaps, good. Got an airbag I need to fix. Then I'll just double check my four ways. Right here. Gotta fix that airbag back here. You guys see that? This needs to be fixed. I mean, it works, but this part needs to be fixed really bad. Airbag's still working, but sooner or later, this will cut through, and then I'll be screwed. So we gotta go fix that ASAP. Probably go to the shop today. 535-755. That's what we're looking for. 535-755. Baja through this yard. Lord knows they're not fixing it anytime soon. There we go. 535-755. That's us right here. What are we picking up today? Looks like a red tag. Great. Mike gets the trailer with everything wrong. Great. All right, let's see what we got today. It's always something. It ain't never nothing. I'll tell you that right now. It's always something. It's always something. Do-do-do-do. Looks like she's jacked up pretty high. Shoot, the hell's going on around here? Look at, what does this tell you? We've been here before. Danger. Do not use. See what this one says. Bent landing leg. Great. All right, so the landing gear is bent. Yep. Another day, another messed up trailer. Put that in the side compartment where we put the rest of them. All right, let's see what they're talking about. Oh, wow. Bent leg? Yeah. No shit. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. All right, we just need it to be low enough to the point where I can grip up on there. So now I'm gonna back up to it so we can lock in. All right, tug test. Just to make sure that we're in there. Always do a tug test, you know? Rather be safe than sorry. See this landing gear. Yeah, it is really bent. Man, this one's all jacked up. Could be worse. Could be worse. Electrical pure, secure. That's good. Get up underneath here. Make sure this is locked, which it is. I just like to double check. Check our lights. No popped out rivets. Lights working. This stupid thing. Check our tires. Lights, these tires, good all the way. This is the bad side of the landing gear. You see that one looks straight and normal, and this one's all bent and crooked. Lord knows what happened. Something happened there as a witness mark. Probably hit something and dragged it, who knows. But Mike to the rescue. Come take it to the shop. Oh, look at, let's see what's wrong with this one. Mounted latch broken to lock, driver's side, trailer door. Well, at least I'm not the only one. Something wrong. Double check our lights, clearance, these lights, good. Pulled it out. I gotta move the tandems. In order to move the tandems, you wanna be straight on flat ground. If you try to do it anywhere else, they probably won't move. Straighten out real quick, right here. So I got the trailer straight with the tractor. That'll do it. These right here, they'll go in. Just gotta move back a little bit. With the tandems, you only push in your tractor air brake. Throw it in reverse. I'm just gonna scoot backwards. Let's go see what we got here. I think I moved them perfect. Yeah, we're good. They were all the way back, and now we moved them up here. Push this back in. Lock it in place real quick. You probably hear it lock. Maybe heard it, maybe didn't. I don't know. All right, time to rock and roll. I'm just assuming that I'm taking it to the shop. We'll call dispatch and confirm that right now. I almost forgot the most important thing. Most important thing, you have to take pictures. If you don't take pictures, basically it never happened in trucking. If you're not taking pictures of everything that you double check, tires, all four sides, you gotta get all four tires on each side, and you gotta get all four sides of the trailer as well. Try to get nice clear pictures so there's no questions about anything. All right, so we checked in. They gave us a dock 116. So we're gonna open up our doors and go put the trailer in the dock. Come on, you can do it. That one was a little tight, and this one's perfect. All right, they said dock door 116. So we just gotta flip around, make a U-turn, wait for that car. All right, where's 116? 106, 107, 108, 9, 10, 11, 12. This one's 113, 114, 115. That's us right there, 116. Ain't nobody coming that way, nobody coming this way. My window doesn't open, so sometimes you gotta just make it do what it do. Work with what you got. Window doesn't work, so you open the door. Go ahead, I see this guy next to me, go ahead. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Go ahead, bub, go ahead. Go ahead. I ain't tripping, bro. I got all day. Thank you. I gotta lie. Got a little bit flustered and overshot it. So I gotta bring it back this way and then bring it back over here. I gotta throw it on the line because he came and then I overcorrected. Damn, I think I did it again. I did do it again. God damn it, man. Man, doing bad today. Man, no more 3-day weekends for Mike. Gotta park over the weekend. There we go. There we go. It's all right. If you don't get it the first time, you don't get it the second time, you can always get it the third time. All right, easy money. Easy enough. All right, well, we dropped the trailer, brought it to Ashley Furniture. It's a distribution center. I hate to say it, but had us drop it with the landing gear like this. And just like every other trucker would say, well, it's not my problem anymore, because, well, it's not my problem anymore, but I thought we'd take it to the shop. Maybe we'll take it another time. How does it look? Does it look crazy? Looks a little crazy. All right, well, bobtail back to the yard. Do as we said, do as we're told. That's what we do. Made it to the yard. All right, let's see what's next on the list of to-dos. Oh, that's my boy Frank. My boy Frank. All right, guess I'm just gonna park right here real quick for a second anyway. He's seen me. He's seen me. He said hello. We're just bobtail, so I'm gonna park right here real quick. Don't mind anybody. Don't mind that truck. That truck's a little messed up. I would not drive that. All right, we just hooked up to another trailer. I have to take this trailer tomorrow. We are taking this to drop off a load in Akron tomorrow. But we checked out this tire and there's no tread depth, so I'm gonna take it right now. We're gonna take it to get replaced at the shop. And that's why you always double check your trailer if you don't have it sealed, because somebody else might check on your trailer to see if it's empty or not. This one might need it too, and then they leave the door open. So it's good to double check always. Shop is only 20 minutes away, so I'm gonna go head on over there and get that replaced. 23 minutes. 23 minutes. All right, let's rock and roll. Get her done. Tell me why this mirror just ripped off. It just fell right before I got off my exit. We were just using this mirror. This is my favorite mirror. Shows me what's going on. That mirror too over there. That one's still good, but this one just jumped off. Crazy. Always something.
At the light, use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Butler Road. Then use the left 2 lanes to turn left on the
Ford Motor Company's right over here. See, it says it right there, Ford Rouge Center. To the left, behind these trees. Lots of trucks this way. We're at the shop. One, I have to fix this. See how this lip right here is down compared to this side? You can see it's nice and flush. That's the way it's supposed to be. This airline, I want to take it off nice and easy. Put it back on, nice and easy. This side right here, when I even try to take it off, look at same amount of pressure. I can't. It's not moving because this thing is all busted on this side. So we're gonna get that fixed so I have leverage, so I can put on my airlines easily instead of having to grip them up all crazy. And then also have a tire, getting the tire done, and we're getting the back light done as well. This tire is the one that's getting changed. Obviously you can tell it needs it compared to these ones. And then this back light is gonna get changed as well. As you can see, we just pulled up. We're at LA Fitness, about to get my workout in because I know that's what makes me feel best when I'm working out.